Peace, love, and light. It's your girl Rakia. I'm making this nice, quick, short video to tell you how easy it is to start your own clothing brand, your own clothing business, selling your own style clothes that you design at pretty much no real cost to you to get started at all. So I know a lot of times we think we need to be able to mass produce, whatever type of items it is that we're trying to sell, but in 2017, I'm here to tell you that there's a new way that you can do these things. Now, if you are a graphic designer or someone who's good at making designs for t-shirts, or even if you've never put one on a t-shirt, but you have some type of aspiration to make t-shirts and sell t-shirts, there's a very, very easy way to do that, and it's called using drop shipping. Now, if you've seen any of my videos from before, you guys know that I've dealt with Shopify for over a year now. And Shopify is an excellent platform. They're also not the only platform that you can use, but they are one of many different e-commerce platforms that gives you the opportunity to start your business and sell whatever products or service that it is that you want to sell to the public. Now, the means of you being able to create the t-shirt, we also have these other third parties who we can get involved with through these e-commerce channels, those being such as Printful or Teesprings or many other different print companies who print on demand for your orders and get your orders not only made and printed for you, but they also ship them to your customer. So this not only makes it easier so that you aren't having to sell and stock all of your products in your home, you actually are able to submit your orders to a warehouse that prints your orders on demand and ships them to your customers. So all you pretty much have to do is make those designs and get those designs on those items, whether you want to make t-shirts, and those t-shirts can be for men or women. They can be long sleeve, v-necks, tank tops, sweatshirts. They can be for babies. You can make clothing for pets. You have the options to make leggings. You can make mugs. You can make hats. You can make tote bags. You can make phone cases. Anything that you can create in a design that is yours, you can put it on these products, get it printed on there, and get it shipped and sold. And this is something a lot of people have been looking for additional means of income, ways to create another stream of income. And if you're a creative type, if you're really into clothing, you're really into fashion, you're really into trends, if you really feel like you know what people like when it comes to clothing, then consider starting your own small business of advertising your product. And before you know it, you can build a brand, establish a following, and create a whole culture around what it is that you want to create. So don't ever sell yourself short. If you feel like there's an idea that you have and you want to make that idea a reality, it's really as simple as just starting to see or just looking and finding out how easy it may be for you to get started with this business. You may not need as much as you may think that you may need. Now, I assist a lot of people in advertising for their brands and advertising for their businesses and helping them to get customers and showing them how to build that culture, how to build, that following of people behind you, supporting your brand. And these basic principles and ideas and things of that nature all come along with the training and coaching that I provide for your social media, Facebook advertising package. So if you already have a business and you find yourself struggling to get sales, then I want you to consider contacting me to assist you in proper advertising for your business and just different means and methods to increase those sales for you. Because that's just the main thing, is how to get your product in front of the right people so that you can get those sales. So if you would like additional information about how to start your own clothing business or your own t-shirt company, then feel free to reach out to me and email me, and I will certainly help you understand that process. And if you feel like you need additional assistance, you want a coach or you want a mentor or someone to help you along, we can also discuss that as well. So that concludes this video for today. And to all my entrepreneurs out there, just stay consistent. Just keep going and keep pushing, and never let your failures make you quit. Peace.